Press this to enter time setting and press this to select hours. Press this to confirm and enter minute setting, press this to select minutes. Press this to confirm and select time format, press this to select. Finally, press this to finish time setting. Press this to enter alarm setting and press this to select hours. Press this to confirm and enter minute setting, press this to select minute. Press this to confirm and enter ringtone setting, press this to select ringtone. Press this to confirm and enter volume setting, press this to select volume level. Finally, press this to finish alarm setting. Press this repeatedly to adjust sunrise duration. When the alarm goes off, press this to get 9-minute snooze. Then you can press this to stop the alarm and it will go off the next day. Hold this for 2s to turn alarm off and the alarm clock icon will disappear. Hold this for 2s to turn alarm on and this will appear. Press this to turn on off the sounds machine. Press this to choose the sleep sounds. Press this to adjust the volume. Press this to turn on. Press repeatedly this to cycle through colors. Scroll the wheel to brighten/dim the night light. Hold this for 2s to turn off. When the sound machine/nightlight is on, press this repeatedly to select timer. Press this during the timing process. Long hold these for 2 seconds to restore factory settings.